Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can screen record on your iPhone 16 Pro Max or an iPhone iOS 18.4. First, you need to check if you're using an updated version. Go to your settings, and you need to go to your set. I'll do it again for you. You just need to go to your settings, and in the setting you need to go to your general, and under general go to your software and make sure you have installed the latest version iOS 18.4. If you haven't installed an updated version, you just need to update it, and then you will able to use the latest feature. What you need to do is just swipe down from the right side of the screen. Here, the right side of the screen, just swipe down, and you have some options like this. What you need to do is, if you see there is a positive button here, just tap on it, and after doing this there's an option here. If you say it, it's actually the option add a control. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it, it will show you a screen like this. If you see that there is a screen recording option, you just need to tap it and it will automatically come into your swipe down menu. Just tap on it and you see that I have already done it. So here's the screen record option which you have. You just need to as I have already won, just need to press tab over the screen, and for that's the screen recording option. You just need to tap in and it will automatically start to record the screen. Just I'm just doing it, just you can check it out. Just tapping it, it will start a timer over here, and the screen recording is just started. So that's how you can actually record the screen, and it will show you a red sign over here. And to now stop the screen recording, it will just tap over here, and you see that there is a screen recording. Just stop it and it will automatically save to your photos. For example, if I go to photos, this is what we have recorded so far. So I hope this video helps out in screen recording in iOS 18.4. If you still have any other question, just leave a comment and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Bye bye.